How much would it cost to furnish this 56 square meter industrial interior design style loft apartment? In this video, we designed this loft apartment using online products in every area, from the living room, dining area, kitchen, and bedroom. We'll show you the industrial interior design of this loft apartment and guide you on how to achieve this style. Do you know that industrial design is known for its raw and edgy look? It includes elements like exposed pipes and bricks, and uses a lot of metal and wood. In this video, we have 4 chapters, starting with the living room, followed by the dining room, kitchen, and bedroom. Each area has its own cost highlighted. Plus, we will provide you with a budget-friendly option, and all the products are from Amazon and other online sites. So if you find something you like, it's available online. Link of products in the description below. Let's get started. This is an industrial interior design style loft apartment. In an industrial style home, the color palette. For this style is usually neutral, with a lot of gray, brown, and touches of black and white. By doing this, it will maintain the cohesive look of this style. Following its color palette sets the right mood, while following the style's characteristics ensures a harmonious and attractive space. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also adds value, making the area more appealing. Now let's start with Chapter 1, the living area. We start with a stunning sofa priced at $650, perfectly paired with these 2 stylish accent chairs for $180, ideal for our L-shaped layout. For the tables, we've picked a side table with a fabric drawer for $60 and a matching coffee table for $105. They blend seamlessly in color and style. To boost comfort and style, we're adding a cozy rug for $60. For lighting, table lamps at $46 and pin lights for $44 bring warmth to the room. The pendant lighting at $108 nails the industrial vibe. Moving to the entertainment area, we chose a sleek television stand for $95 and a smart TV for $301, fitting our theme perfectly. Wrapping up with decor, we spend $69 on final touches that elevate the overall ambiance. The total cost for this living space comes to a budget-friendly $1,718. For Chapter 2, the dining area. We've selected an attractive dining table for $192, perfectly complemented by a set of 4 dining chairs for $103. The combination is not only visually appealing but also offers durability, enhancing the overall look and feel of the space. To enhance the dining experience further, we're adding a set of 4 placemats, alongside dinner plates, cutlery set, and a glass set. These essential dining accessories come at a combined cost of $123. The total cost for elevating the dining area with these carefully chosen items, a reasonable $418. Next, Chapter 3, the kitchen area. We've gone for an L-shaped layout to maximize space efficiently. Our search for a sink led us to this elegant black kitchen sink, which comes at $151. To complement it, we've chosen a kitchen faucet with a pull-down sprayer for $39, creating a perfect pairing. Next, we picked a gas range top, priced at $460, along with a wall mount range hood for $140. These selections not only look great together, but also enhance the kitchen's overall design. To complete the kitchen's functionality, we've added a top freezer refrigerator for $765. A smartly chosen pot rack for $40 follows, offering a practical space-saving solution. For the nook area, we've selected industrial leather armless chairs costing $130. These chairs are great for space efficiency. Finally, we've chosen track lighting for $50 and pendant lights for $164, adding both style and functionality to the space. The total expense for this kitchen is $1,939. And for the final chapter, the bedroom area, for our bedroom. We begin by selecting a bed frame, a great find at $155. We pair this with a comfy mattress priced at $150 and quality bed pillows for $61. For convenience and style, we add 2 side tables at a cost of $40, alongside a wall-mounted desk for $60. And we include an ergonomic chair for $54, offering a practical seating solution for compact spaces. These choices are perfect for space saving and efficiency. To enhance the bedroom's comfort and style, we've chosen a rug for $77. This choice adds warmth and texture to the room. Lastly, to complete the overall ambiance, we install pendant and pin lights at a combined cost of $133. The total cost for the bedroom makeover is $711, efficiently utilizing the budget to create a cozy and functional space. And there we have our industrial interior design style loft apartment. The total cost for decorating the different areas came to $4,786. Remember, the key to industrial design is a balance between the raw, unfinished elements and a sense of welcoming warmth and functionality.